How to fix Facebook make important changes in account center problem. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. The first thing first, make sure your application is updated because at times when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. So head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Facebook. If you see update, tap on update. And if you see open, leave that as it is. Now you have to reset Facebook to its default version. So head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap onto apps. Here you have to search for Facebook, tap enter, and then tap on this storage button. Clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead, tap on clear data and delete the data. Once you do so, tap on force stop and then OK. Now likewise, restart your device, launch your Facebook and this shall work. If it's still not working on the site, you may have to go ahead and then uninstall Facebook, reinstall again, and this should work. Thank you all for watching guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.